I mean, A, I couldn't be bothered. B, who's interested in what I would tweet? I mean, what's
you're
the
a
point?
Minister of State in a very important department.
If I have something to say, I'll say it. I mean, I wouldn't choose to tweet it because, I read all these, these tweets. I'm going to have cornflakes now for our breakfast. I'm going for a pint of Bulmers. Who cares? I mean, my life's not that interesting, I can tell you.
But we see some of your colleagues on all sides of the House that do tweet and do tweet quite prolifically. They always have interesting things to say. I mean, Jerry Adams is a very prolific tweeter.
Is he?
He is. I'm sure you've heard about him.
Not really, no, I haven't. If I have something to say, I'll issue a press statement or I'll put it on my Facebook page or something. But I have this constant idea that you have to be talking to people about this kind of rubbish commentary about what you think about what's going on in the world. It's just, I don't get that, I have to say. If I have something to say, I'll say it. I'm not shy about saying something. But it's the idea that people are bothered. The idea that someone will be bothered at what I have to say.
But there's perhaps an audience on Twitter that wouldn't necessarily like your Facebook page or come across your press releases.
I know what you mean. Yeah, I know what you mean. Well, if they can ring me up and I'll tell them whatever. I always try to get back to people as best I can.
What's your number?
618-3567.
Very good. And will they get straight through to you? Or?
Well, I'd have to take a call. Just email me, brian.hayes@oireachtas.ie. Give me their mobile number, I'll get back to them as best I can.